Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to install any font in all Android mobile devices. Please make sure to watch this video until the very end to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, now what you want to do here is go to your settings app, scroll down and click into display. Scroll down again where it says font size and style, tap on that. And now where it says font style, at the moment mine's set to default. Click onto that. And you've got a few options here that come default in your phone. So you can change it to any one of them if you want. Just click onto it. Get back in. But if you want to download fonts, click on download fonts. Bring you to another page. And now here it says new fonts for your Galaxy phone. So these are all the top fonts you can download and use for your phone. You got top paid, top free, and new. Alright, just a matter of your preference. If whatever font you want, you can either get it for free or paid. I'm just going to do a top free font. So I'm going to click on, I reckon this Rosemary one sounds alright. Actually, I changed my mind. I'll head back and click a different one. Alright, I'm going to click onto this Rosemary font. Click on install here. It's installing. And then simply click on apply. And then head back to your settings. And there you go, you can see my font has been changed to Rosemary. Not a huge fan of it. I might change it back, who knows. Alright, that's the end of this video, guys. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. We really appreciate it and it helps us out a lot.